Every night, it's last time. And every morning, you're right back at it, losing a little more of yourself. This ain't a willpower problem, dog. It's a wiring problem. Today, I'm handing you the exact 3-step blueprint to fix it. Stick around. This could be the video that flips your whole life. Step 1. Control what goes in. Everything starts with input. You're on your phone every 10 minutes. Reels, stories, mindless scrolling, and your brain's fried and hijacked. Next 7 days. No binge scrolling, no junk entertainment, just grind, books, and quiet. Let your brain feel bored again. That's how normal life starts feeling good. Then, clean the feed itself. What you feed your eyes, you become. Thirst traps and messy content on your Explore page. You're programming yourself to fail daily. Step 2. Control the moment. This is what you do when the urge actually hits. First, burn the energy off physically. Hit the gym hard in the morning, run or ball out in the evening. Idle energy turns into bad energy, but tired muscles mean a quiet mind. Put that testosterone into your workouts, not your bad habits. Step 3. Control the empty time. Most slip-ups don't come from crazy strong urges. They come from empty, boring moments. Alone, nothing to do, and boom, the thought creeps in. Beat it before it happens. Keep a reading list ready. Learn that skill you keep putting off. Build something on the side. Idle mind, bad playground. Busy mind, unstoppable mind. Self-control isn't a bonus stat. It's the whole game. You don't control yourself, the world will control you for you. If you're ready to level up for real, drop "I'm ready" in the comments. And smash that like before you go.